Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I am going to show to you how to transfer biogas or refill biogas in this beach ball. So this refilling of biogas into beach ball is important for those who are just starting out on biogas and for project purposes. Those who are into biogas and using this for their project or thesis or capstone project, this is important, and you can use this to store your biogas inside this beach ball. So I'm going to show to you how to transfer it. So from previous video, I've used this already. So for those who haven't watched it and don't know what is this, so this is a custom build DIY electric air pump. So this is usually used on beach ball and airbeds, but I repurposed this so that I could use this to transfer or pump biogas into this kind of storage. But this time, I'll be using it exactly for this gas bags. So let's just connect the adapter, and then just the way how you pump your beach ball or airbed. You should always purge the air inside the beach ball. That's why I'm squeezing this like this to remove all the air. Perfect. And then let's try to add another beach ball. So one thing to keep in mind while refilling this, it's difficult to make it this pressurized. So you need to be quick in removing here and also replacing the cup in this gas bag or beach ball, because if you do it slowly, some gas will escape. That's why I attempted it so many times, but this is already good, and we have already 2 beach ball filled with biogas.
Dito, lapit. Lapit.
Until next time, thanks for watching.